Alright, y'all, got the shock tower on. Like I said, got the body on as much as I could. I moved the post for the rear shocks down to the last hole so I could try to fit this on. We're gonna get, that's how close we are, right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some marks on the top of the post. Probably some, like, it's white at the bottom. Probably gonna put some black paint on the top of the post where the clips go, and then put it down, get a measurement of where the body should sit, and then take a reamer and poke the new holes for the rear, and we're gonna get it on there. It does look like this edge right here is gonna have to get shaved off to at least right there, right underneath the sticker, because when you put it down, it looks like it's gonna hit the arm right here. So when the suspension goes up and down, it's gonna hit the body, and I don't want it to do that. So I'm gonna take it up to at least where the sticker is and see what happens after that. So those are the two things I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna get back to you in a few seconds. All right, y'all, like I said, underneath this body is white, as you can see down on the panels and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a dab of black right here, a dab of black right there, set it up real nice, tap it down, and should get a good estimate point where I should be putting the new holes for the body. It's actually gray, dark gray. I normally use black, but I don't know, out of black or what. So that's what you want to do. You want to take the paint, just dab some. See if we can scroll in a little bit. Yeah. All right, so what you want to do is take the paint, dab it on top, all the way around the top, so you get as wide as you needed to get. So now what you want to do is make sure your front attached. When you come to the rear, and just lay it down where you want it. Right there. Press down. You should be good. Now you want to take, it's that dot, kind of slid, I felt it, and that dot right there. So you just want to take your reamer, that's the first one, like that. First little hole. Make a little hole at first. And from the little hole, you want to just keep measuring back and forth. This is hot. Turn up again. Match that body up again. How you want it. Put down there again. Yeah, looks like I'm right on. So that's how I do it. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done all the holes. Alright y'all, there we have it. Still want to put the outcast guards on so it'll cover this up. Yeah, that's how we're looking. Need to clean it up and put those guards on, clean it up, and I'll be good for a while. See what's going on. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching the vids. Alright y'all, there y'all have it. Got the guards up on there, and I'm gonna end up giving it a rip this weekend. That's gonna be in a different video. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for it. I mean, thank y'all for watching the video. I appreciate everything that y'all, you know, your likes, your comments, you have any input. I went live over this vehicle and found out I helped a lot of people with a few other vehicles that I've posted before that they just never said anything on YouTube or anything like that because they didn't have YouTube. I found out a couple guys didn't have YouTube, and I went live on Instagram and they told me, hey man, I just want to let you know, you helped me out on such and such car or whatever like that. So I just want to say thank y'all. That's what I'm here for, is to give positive info. I don't want to give all that, what's it called, that bullshit info that, I don't know, messes up everybody. Yeah, that's it. So y'all stay tuned for the run video. Alright y'all, happy hobbying y'all. Peace. What's going on y'all? I had to take it out for a quick spin. It's on 3S. Don't need it on 6 right now. Just out back. Handles just like a Stretched Typhon and all that stuff, but it just looks a little different. That's what I like. It doesn't look like the Stretched Typhon. Sort of does, but it don't. Has some rubbing, but it's okay. Rubs just a little bit in the front. It goes forward and back. It's wet out here. I better stop because it's gonna tear up my yard. But yeah, she's fun. Thank y'all for watching the videos and liking and subscribing and stuff, man. I really appreciate it. I'll be getting more into more tech stuff and more free spirit run stuff with my family on here. Everything's fixed, so I'm hoping not to break anything, but at the same time, I don't mind it because it kind of keeps me busy. So, all right, y'all, keep hobbying. Happy hobbying. Peace. All right, y'all, it was a little wet outside. which was a good thing, I think, because it gave me opportunity to test my theory on. Remember when I had the shock guards on there? See, look how high the dirt and stuff came. Now inside, it's not perfectly clean, but if I had the Typhons side mud guards, this stuff would be all muddy and caked in with cut wet grass and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm glad I kept some of my stuff. So yeah, that's the end, man. Just wanted to thank y'all again. Appreciate y'all. See you on the next video. Peace.